our next shapes are related. There's a circle, which is like an open dot. They're related. And when you squish a circle down, you get an oval. A shape that's related to the oval but has some points is an I shape. It starts with a low arc, and then you repeat that on the bottom. So, of course, the I shape can be an I. It can also make some leaves. Or if you add a triangle, it can become a fish. So one of the things that I'm trying to show here as we start off is that we can draw and doodle and represent our ideas with very simple shapes, right?